This is Coco, and she has Peppa Pig
With the hat on.
with a hat on. Now Peppa Pig is gonna be a pilot of this airplane right here.
And it doesn't have a carrot nose.
It doesn't have the nose. Oh, the nose is missing.
Yeah.
So Coco, can you tell Daddy where is Peppa Pig going to?
And with little pet shops.
You go with the pet shop, go to where?
They're going to Legoland.
Legoland, and Legoland is in San Diego, right? Alright, so Peppa Pig is a pilot and he has a hat. Does a hat fit Peppa Pig, Coco Bear?
Yes.
Yes. Where are the eyes? I don't see the eyes. Let's take a look closer.
See?
Alright, and how about put the hat on? Why does it sit like that?
Because
Because what?
it keeps his eyes way out of the sun.
Oh yeah. How about the ears? The ears are sticking up, so the hat doesn't fit, right?
Yeah.
That's right. So where does pilot Peppa Pig sit?
Yeah.
Right here. Let's put the pilot down.
Krister needs to get their tickets.
They are getting a ticket.
These two got their tickets.
Oh, the two little baby pigs.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's Peppa and that's George and that's another Peppa.
oh, and who is this?
Daddy Pig.
No, the one in the green pants.
Green
Right here.
Here.
Yeah. No, right here. Oh, that's blue. Yeah. Is that Mama Pig?
No, that's Daddy Pig.
Oh, that's Daddy Pig. So where's? Oh yeah, that's right. So where's the pilot pig? The pilot pig is right there, and we have.
No, this is not the pilot pig.
Ah. So what? Who is that then?
He
He has a hat on. He must be a pilot of this airplane.
No. He's the ticket guy.
Oh, he's giving out tickets. So let's take a look at the airplane that Peppa Pig is flying. We see the airplane. We see toilet seat here.
No, that's the seat. You see at the bottom?
Oh, the seat. All right, let's put it down so we can take a look at it better. How come there are 4 toilets in there? Oh, I see. So we close the panel. These become windows. That's
told
right.
you.
You are right, Bear.
I told you they're not toilets.
Okay. Yeah, we would have a lot of toilets up here for the pigs.
Because there's little things right here. You can not fall down.
I see. All right, it's time to board the plane so we can go
No.
to San Diego. Right?
Where's Yanny?
Huh?
Peppa Pig. Another one? That's crazy. Here you go.
Who gets a ticket? Who get on the plane first?
No. First they have to get their tickets.
All right, where are the tickets?
They're here. Where's Annie? Daddy Pig. I'm Daddy Pig too. So I'm with the man who gave the tickets. Here you go. Tickets. So mine up to there.
What's his name? That little kid.
It's Georgie.
Georgie. So Georgie is, where is Georgie sitting?
Right here.
Right there?
Yeah.
In front? He's a pilot? He's a co-pilot?
No, he's sitting right here.
Well, that's a pilot seat.
No, this is the pilot seat.
Well, this is a co-pilot seat. He cannot sit there unless he's a co-pilot. All right, let's board the plane. Who's sitting where?
This Daddy Pig is not going
Why?
because he's sitting right here.
Wait a minute. Daddy's pig is not going, but he has the money. If he's not going, there's no money. Who's gonna pay for Legoland? All right. Now let him sit on the wing. All right. So
That's
who else is going on the plan?
Oopsie, Daddy Pig.
All right. Let's get Daddy Pig in first.
No, let's get
How about
Peppa, Peppa Pig and George Pig.
Okay. They're sitting right there?
Yeah.
Okay. Where's the pilot sitting?
That's silly.
That's silly, yeah. I think that's it is for pilot. The guy with the hat over there. See? That's where he's supposed to sit.
Well, this one.
Oh.
That's for sure.
So who is this guy? Right here. Did you have
She's a girl,
Oh,
cause
she's a girl.
and she can wear the pilot hat.
Alright, then let her be the pilot then. Okay?
And George can help,
Okay.
cause she has a little hole and she can fit right in.
Okay. Alright, so let her be the pilot with a hat on.
And George can sit
And
right
George the
here.
pig will sit right next to her to help out. So George is gonna be the co-pilot. Alright. Who else is on the plan?
First we have to set it up first.
Oh,
Oh, this.
What? What is that? Oh yeah, that's a cockpit. Alright, we'll close it. There you go. Alright. So the cockpit is ready.
So we need to set it up.
Alright. What else we need to do before the plane can go to San Diego?
And the other things.
Like what?
Legoland.
Legoland too, yes, right.
And the doggy show.
Ah, the doggy show at SeaWorld.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's it.
Alright, but let's get on the plane so we can go.
Yeah, first I have to set it up.
Oh. but you-
Because I can't go which, and which. Because they all have to get their cute things on. These are called little things you can wear. You see the little things?
What
That's
thing is that?
because you can put it on.
Oh, yeah. So we gotta hurry. Because the plane is about to go.
No,
You gotta rush. You gotta hurry.
no.
Yeah, and you have to go night-night too.
It doesn't matter.
Why? Why? Why does it not matter?
It doesn't matter. The plane take off.
But the plane will go. Who is not on the plane will not go to San Diego.
We're in. Because we're getting your little things on. See?
Ah, yeah. Alright, it's time to go.
No.
Why?
First we have. You see the all things out on the airplane because first we had to set it up.
Okay, let's set it up. And then when you're ready, we'll load the plane. But you gotta hurry.
No, it can't hurry because it's not. It's only 8 o'clock.
No, it's late. You have to go night-night. The plane has to go take off so you can go night-night. Otherwise, we have to continue this tomorrow. Okay? You want to continue this tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay.
And where's the other pet?
Alright, tomorrow you can get some more passenger. Well, you say good night, everybody.
Good night, everybody.
We'll begin part 2 tomorrow. Right, Coco Bear? Alright. Good wave, good night. Coco?
Good night.
Good night.